Hey, we have a Hardinge second operation lathe, model DSM59, serial number DV59 16373. Machine was new in 1981. We're going to run her for you. Machine has variable speed. It's got a 5C collet capacity. We're in the low range. Forward is variable. Okay, up and down. That's the high range. Yep. Brake. Reverse. Okay. He's indexing the turret. Cross slide. Okay. Open up the cabinets. There you go. You get the same type of tooling cabinet as the other one. And hey. Oh, this one has a tapered nose. Thank you for watching our video.